Okay. Preparing for morning ride in Taipei. Here's the bike. Has to be silent. Yeah. Preparing for an early morning ride to Taipei. We're going to the river park, colorplus, Wotancraft, and Thermaltake. We'll see what we can see there. Part of the exercise, lifting. Morning exercise.
Good, ha?
Oh well, Brompton is made of steel. Kaya mabigat.
Ganda na.
Yan lang eh. Ito yung medyo siya tumutumba. Sige.
Dapat tanggalin mo ito.
Elevator.
Yeah.
Ano yung galing naman siya architecture. Kasi like, just the moment is
Temperature, weather. Yeah, weather fine.
Lamig, sarap.
Taipei. Well, as I expected. If you believe it will happen, sure is. Have faith, and everything will follow. Good. Very good. Sa kabila. Okay, riding here in Taipei is it reminds me of Singapore when I was there. The sidewalk, the side path is almost similar, but there's a slightly difference. So I think the engineering who did this is just the same engineering company, I guess. Oh, so very exciting when you ride in the country. We should think it's very safe. Nothing to worry. No thieves. I'm not sure. The flow of traffic is so safe. Red light, green lights. Going to the Riverside Park. I know the Riverside Park is a 120-ish kilometers of cycling path, paved, and there's so many. I guess back in the day, so many bloggers, cyclists is heading there to enjoy the cycling. Ganda mo lang yung cycling path na. Just follow the path, the track. Just follow the path, the track, and you'll be okay. Happy wife, happy bike. Diretso lang, go straight. Finally, back in the day is just a dream, and a dream that is fulfilled, and it happened. And here we go. Good morning, everybody. I'm here in Taipei. As you can see, this boat is made of wood. And explore. Let's explore. Let's go.
In this
Ibig
clip,
sabihin,
Laura was
nag-record.
learning to use the Insta360.
Tingnan yan, mga
She's a
30
very quick
seconds.
learner and a boss.
Ayan mo lang siya. Parang isang pindot lang. Pantiin natin.
Let's explore how this incredible cycling network came to be, why it exists, and what makes it a must-ride for cyclists all around the world. The Taipei Riverside Bikeway spans over 120 kilometers and stretches along the Tamsui, Keelung, and Xindian rivers. It connects multiple districts from Tamsui in the north to Xindian in the south, looping through Taipei City and parts of New Taipei City. This isn't just one road, it's a massive network of interconnected bike lanes, parks, sports grounds, rest stations, and scenic viewpoints. Whether you're a casual rider or a hardcore cyclist, there's a loop or stretch that's perfect for you. So when and why was this amazing bike path created? Back in the 1990s, Taipei was facing serious problems with urban flooding due to typhoons and rising river levels. The government launched a major infrastructure plan called the Riverside Revitalization Project. Its main goal? Flood control. They built embankments, levees, and floodgates along major rivers. But here's where the brilliance came in. They decided to turn those flood zones into public green spaces, instead of letting them go to waste. And that's where the idea of a Riverside Bikeway was born.
Camera is back.
Sarap! Yeah.
City planners wanted Taipei to become more sustainable, bike-friendly, and livable. So, over the next 2 decades, they transformed these riverside zones into public parks and multi-use recreational areas, including bike paths.
Let's go.
Let's go!
Ah. The big bell around here. Bicycle bell. Made of bronze.
By the early 2000s, large sections of the riverside cycling paths were completed. The full network came together over time, linking north and south, east and west, offering seamless cycling access across the city with no cars, just open views and nature.
Hello. Dog park. Special dog park.
Ang galing, no?
A riverside park inside is a dog park.
If you ever find yourself in Taiwan, bring your bike or rent one and make sure to ride this path. It's a perfect example of how smart city planning can turn a problem like flooding into something beautiful and useful for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you've ridden the Taipei Riverside Bikeway or plan to. Don't forget to subscribe for more cycling adventures across Asia and beyond. This is Master Takuza, founder of Fold and Roll, and I'll catch you on the next ride.
Sa loob na lang isang tapon na kami. Kasi nga kami magtatapunan din.
Before crossing the river, we made a quick pit stop at 7-Eleven. Can't ride on an empty stomach. Grab some bread and chocolate drink. Taipei's convenience stores are next level. Clean, fast, and fully stocked for riders.
Pauna ka, ma. Oh, hurry up.
Cycling in Taipei is like riding between two worlds.
Yellow,
On one
red.
side, you've got organized chaos, scooters buzzing past, delivery vans rushing, and crosswalks full of office workers.
It's a square.
But on the other side, you've got
It's a
dedicated
square.
bike lanes, calm side streets,
Dyan,
and
dyan,
polite
stop ka
drivers
dyan.
who actually stop for bikes. It's wild. But it works. The roads here, smooth and well maintained. You'll find green bike symbols painted on lanes, and if you're lucky, you'll even catch bike priority crossings with their own traffic lights. But don't let your guard down. Scooters and buses still dominate the roads, especially during rush hour. Be alert. What I love most. Every corner feels alive, breakfast stalls steaming, aunties on e-bikes, students rushing to class, and the occasional Brompton rider looking classy. Even a simple ride to the convenience store feels like a mini adventure. Fueled up and ready to roll, we hit the Songshan Bridge and crossed over the Keelung River. The view here is a beauty, city skyline on one side, green riverside parks on the other. Bridge traffic's fast but manageable. Stick to the edge, keep your line tight, and enjoy that cool breeze as you glide over to Neihu.
Go! Here's the climb, it's the bridge crossing the river. Yeah, we're heading to Thermaltake shop. So, like I said, this is our first time here to ride in Taipei. So we are just relying on the map that we are using, the apps that we are using so far. Scary of the dark. Ayan.
Ayan, dali.
It's raining! Thermaltake bicycle. Where the... Wow, just right on time. Rain. Finally we are right. Okay, Thermaltake is open by 11, but lucky we will be allowed to enter at 10:30. So the staff is telling us to come in now. So it's a good thing we come early. So hi, where can I put my bike? We are here at Thermaltake. Thermaltake bike. Let's see what we can find here. So many stuff.
Ay, hindi ako sanay sa kaliwa.
Hello, good morning.
$780?
Yeah.
Okay, 7. It's so cute.
Yan dito.
It's only in Taiwan.
Let's invite this one.
The ride of what?
Come to Taiwan and we will ride downstairs.
Bike around here. So many things. See, just put in the eyesight.
The same.
I think this is a stock
Yeah,
version.
yeah, and this is Brompton. This is Brompton, not the 改装品.
Oh. Pang ano lang to, pang
Even
mga...
this, the phone won't fit in the. Yep.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Different feel when you are inside the Thermaltake shop. So many things you can see. A real budul inside.